Are you stuck at home doing lots of work with your laptop, tablet, and smartphone? Are you literally juggling multiple devices at any given time doing different things that require lots of tapping on a virtual keyboard? Well, this device is for you, the Logitech K480 Bluetooth keyboard. I will give you the highlight features. First, it can pair with up to 3 different devices at the same time, and you can also switch between these devices through a knob on the left side of the keyboard. Do you use Android, iOS, Windows, or Mac? Don't worry, this keyboard can connect to all of these things. Just use the 2 buttons on the right side of the keyboard. Don't have a tablet stand? The keyboard has a docking slit that can fit even larger tablets in a horizontal position. It runs on 2 AAA batteries, it's got an on-off switch at the bottom, and the price? 40 Aussie bucks. It comes in white or black with a yellow accent. To connect, turn on the keyboard and the Bluetooth of your mobile device. Press the button for iOS or Android/PC for 3 seconds to be seen by your device. You will also be asked to enter a code on the keyboard itself, so make sure to punch it in and press enter, the enter key. This will automatically work as usual, but of course, if you can't connect to the keyboard, just redo the steps that I've told you. Well, if you have a folio for your Samsung Galaxy tablet or iPad Pro, this device is definitely not for you. This device is perfect for those looking to consolidate their devices to complete different tasks. Now you can actually type faster on your tablet and switch to your smartphone if you want to reply to someone in a group chat. The keyboard does it reasonably well. Here I have an older iPad Air 2 and a Galaxy Note, but if you have a newer device, it's definitely gonna work even well. But is this a portable device? Not really. It's definitely a heavier keyboard than usual. This is to support the weight of the tablets or smartphones docked on top of the keyboard. This is a no-brainer. If you want to supercharge your productivity on the cheap, get the K480. It's multi-talented, and for the price, you can't beat the number of possibilities that you can use it. If you like this video, click like and subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center. Till next time guys, cheers!